Hi, in the last video we went over how to make classes, and if we run this, we drew the square. In this video, we're going to be going over how to move the object actually. So for moving, we have to define another function move with an argument self, and in that move function, we have to define keys equals pygame.key.getPressed. So pygame.key.getPressed is actually a list. In keys, we define that to be equal to that list. And now we just do if keys index pygame.kwrite, then we do something. Self.x plus equal to 10. Keys is a list, and that list has an index, and we give index pygame.kwrite. So it searches for the right key if the right key is pressed. So if the keys pygame.kwrite is pressed, then we wanted the x coordinate to plus equal to 10, right? So now we just copy paste this and do minus equal to 10, right, left, up, and down, all that. So we change this to left, and we change this to plus equal to negative 10. We change this to up, and we change this to self.y, because that's the y coordinate, plus equal to negative 10. Because in the last video I told you, the up actually is when the y coordinate minus equal to 10, and the down is when it adds to 10. So that's a bit weird, but we have to go with it. Let's run this. It should work, right? No, it doesn't work. I'm clicking the up, down, left, and right key. Nothing's happened. This is because we actually haven't we defined the function move, but we didn't actually render it anywhere. We did call the function anywhere. And where do we call it? We want to call it in the draw function, because along with drawing it, we also want to be able to move it. So over here, right now, we did self.x and stuff, right? Since this has an argument self, we can also call another function along with another variable here. We don't need a variable, but we can call self.move. Move is a function. So now self.move will be in draw. And we're calling draw, so we could do self.move in there. This should work. Look, up, down, left, right. But we could also put it straight over here, but that's actually harder. Square.move. We could do that. This should work. But it's just if we make a whole game out of it, we'll have to do square.draw, square.move, all that. That doesn't look so good. So that's why I usually put it in the draw function. So now you can go up, down, left, right. And now instead of using the right, left, up, and down key, we can even change this to WASD. Right for WASD is D, left is A, up is W, and down is S. Notice for this we don't have to do caps. That's just another Pygame thing you have to remember. For right, left, up, and down we have to do caps, but for the rest, DAWS, we have to do the non-caps or lowercase. So now I can move also this with WASD, but I prefer right, left, up, down. Just saying. And now we can also change this to other things like space, K dot space, K space, and shift is also like this. And actually, shift is not like that, because shift, there's two shifts. There's right shift and left shift. So R shift would be that. And let's go with L shift. I'm just trying out a bunch of random things. And then let's just do something random like W. Why not? And space, yeah. I think space is like that. Okay, space has to be all caps. You have to remember these Pygame things. For the letters, you don't have to have caps, but for every other thing, you have to define right, left, up, down, space, R shift, L shift. You have to have caps. So space would be up. Space would actually be right. Pretty weird. R shift would be left. L shift, left shift would be up, and W would be down. That was just some weird key signature I did. I should probably just change this back to right. Left, up, down. So now we have back to normal, right, left, up, down. That's how you use key. That's how you move things around with keys in Python or Pygame.